a video on something that I just want to have a faff around with. So, as I was doom scrolling through Instagram and such, I found something that I've probably seen before, but can't remember if I have. And it was like dumplings, but made with breadcrumbs and cheese and egg combined together lightly. They put some parsley and they put some mint in as well, and then kind of fried them in the frying pan, and then added some tomato sauce. So I kind of thought, I'd like to have a go at that. So just got a bit of fat melting in the pan there. So 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cheese, something like that. Let's make it cheesy. So I think it's, it needs a splash of milk as well. And I think we just need to be a little bit delicate when we add the breadcrumbs, but we'll get all that mixed in like that. Need a splash of milk. Yeah. I was thinking about, I've got some lead now in the fridge. I thought about using some. No. So I want a splash of milk. Just a splash. I'm going to do this recipe twice. I'm going to do it with a tomato sauce, and then I'm going to do it with a creamy sauce, I think, because I kind of thought that'd be nice. And then while I was swimming as well, I was thinking actually instead of doing like little dumplings, it probably would be quite nice as like a fried cake type of thing. But anyway, so and then we want that much. I think will be about right. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe just a tad more. I mean, the bread will soak up the egg, and we don't want them too worked. We want it kind of quite loose and gentle, so it's not compact. I think that's what the lady was saying. Apparently it's a Sicilian dish. Don't ask me to pronounce it or know what it's called. Maybe a little bit more. Although, if you were leaving it for 5 minutes, it would stiffen kind of quite right up. I don't think it wants any more mixing than that. Now, they used like it was almost like quenelles, but let's just do that instead. So like when we're making beef suet dumplings, we don't want to overwork them too much. We want them nice and light, and I think it's the same with this. We don't want to compact them. Like it, they want to be on the verge of falling to bits without falling to bits. Like a, don't know how I know this, but violin, like the best violins are almost on the verge of falling to bits, and that's how you get like a really good sound out of them. Apparently, I don't know how I know that. I probably watched a documentary on Nigel Kennedy, probably, maybe. Is that his name? Or maybe it was on the DVD extras features of Amadeus or something like that. Back when films used to come on DVDs and have lots of good, really good special features. They don't anymore. Well, kind of ish, a little bit, but not so much. Alright, I haven't left enough of the room. Hopefully that'll just sit in there. Oh, I did season this as well, so salt and pepper. So we'll just have that one as a little bit of a try. Now, so we need to kind of almost hard fry these so they go crispy on the outside. Spare cheese. So we'll save those breadcrumbs. Maybe about another 2 eggs I thought. And we might as well put that cheese in there, and then that can live in the fridge for a couple of days while I'm doing this. Tomato sauce on the back, it's just a simple tomato sauce, vegetables, tomatoes, and then pureed down. Right, so we'll let these fry. We'll get a good colour on them, and then we're back. Now, on the video, they put those in the sauce, and I kind of think what we'll do is we'll probably drain off a bit of that fat and put the sauce in there and cook them that way. I think yes, that's what we'll do. Right, I think these have got a good crust. Ginger will turn it over. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, it's good, isn't it? So, oh, that was my trial one. Let's put that over like that. And then, actually that fat looks like it's soaked up into the dumplings, so we won't drain it off. And I think that fat will add a nice bit of richness to the sauce. For years I was kind of opposed to fat and things, but I've had a change of heart about it. You know, like we were told that fat was really bad for you for lots and lots of years, and they keep changing their minds. And now I kind of think to myself, yeah, everything in moderation, including moderation. Right, so they have crisp on the bottom of there. Most of that fat's disappeared. Let's take that out. Give it a try. The sauce is already hot. Where's my ladle? Underneath all the washing, of course. Alright, so turn this down. Sauce is seasoned. Probably do it a little bit thinner actually, but not to worry. And then so we just need to cook these through a little bit, just to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. So that was fine. Have we got? I don't think I've got lid. Yeah, we'll get some kind of lid, and then we'll just taste this first. See what this is like. That's nice, right? Right, I reckon that's having just 5 minutes or so. Puffed up as well. That looks good, doesn't it? So, she really should take a picture and put some on the plate and see what we think, shouldn't we? Well, you can't. Oh, the lighting's not so good. There you go. That's better, isn't it? That's better, isn't it? So I'll take a picture first. So let's give them a go with a little bit of the sauce. Ah, you see they've toughened up a bit. That's why you've got to be gentle with them, because it toughens them up. So, try not to burn my mouth. Burning my mouth. Right, so, no, lovely and fluffy. Needs lots of cheese in them, but for a relatively easy thing to make with some leftover bread, surprisingly good. I think it'd be nice with a creamy sauce, so we'll have a faff around with that as part of this video as well. And yeah, you could probably put other things in them as well, so like use them as a what have you got left up. So if you had a little bit of salami or a little bit of meat, anything like kind of chopped up and put into there, a little bit of cooked bacon or a sausage or something like that, chopped up and put in there as well to kind of bulk it out. That would be kind of quite nice, and I think it would work as like a one big one, and then you could cut it into quarters or slices or something like that. But you just wouldn't do it with the sauce like that, and kind of serve it with a sauce afterwards, a bit like a tartar type of thing. But anyway, so works so far. We'll see what it's like with the cream sauce. Oh, and the Lebanese.